All right, y'all. Day 2. I had the paper trade. So I'm about to just stick to Robinhood. Like, my Thinkorswim is acting up. Um, I should download. Hold on. I should download Thinkorswim on my computer, but I'm not going to because I'm not trading it no more. So this is the trade. I'm getting back on at 6:30. I'm sorry. I definitely should have waited for a confirmation of the invert I got, which we did get. However, because we were in a 2 hour for everybody got, but I had a feeling we might push above it. Like I said, we kind of came up and then we closed down and then we one up pushing up. I tried to take a put on my regular account. It wouldn't let me, a $30 one, and then so I took a $30 one, and you see I put a stop loss here, and I put a stop loss, a take profit down here on Thinkorswim. Why is it still showing me? It's still showing me in profit $40, which is funny because I think I paid 30. Yeah, I paid 40 for this. And if you go to the OPSO, look at what it says. It says I'm up 84%. I think it just glitched. Sorry, let me put you guys on full screen so I can see. I don't know if you can see this, but see how it's green? It says I'm in profit, right? But then if you go to the options chain, that $40 option I bought is now $4. So I don't know what's going on with Thinkorswim. So I am going to just take my money out and go to Robinhood. Even the paper trade didn't even fucking work. And getting at 6:30, I mean, yeah, this would have been a good move if I got in on the buy. Not up here. We were up here, so I guess I have to wait for. Let's delete all the drawings from NQ, and hopefully they show up on the other screen. Okay, yeah. If I would have gotten in, maybe it still have been here. It would have been like a $1 move versus at 9:30, I would have got in probably at the full 3-minute close. So 15 to 21. That is a good bit of money. So I'm going to just get on 9:30 again. Because even the days where we chopped, this day, 9:30, I could have got in. Because this was a 15-minute for value gap. This is a 15-minute for value gap. If you want to see it on the higher time frame, that was this here. Boom. At 9:30, we're in shorts. And then we didn't sweep this liquidity, but we still could have got in right at 9:30 at, way up here at 20 and took at 17. So I'm going to get on 9:30 again because that's the momentum you want in options anyway. And even on this day, now, this was a shitty chop until 10:30. However, we got a big fair value gap here that we closed above. We did not quite close below it. If you had your stop loss at this low, you would have been fine. Or like I said, with options, you don't need a stop loss. Buy the call, and then that's your trade. And then you could have rolled that shit up to the moon again and made a bunch of money. So I'm taking all my money out of Schwab, moving it back to Robinhood, and I'm going to add my business account to Robinhood this time too. I think you can set take profits and stop losses on Robinhood too, but it's just a little more complicated. I need to watch YouTube videos on how to do that. So let me close this position right now. Oh, I made some fucking money. I might even remove Thinkorswim off my damn phone. But I'm not yet. I moved off my computer. And then I'm just going to trade on Robinhood because it has not been working. I don't know why. Yeah, it doesn't work when I trade on Thinkorswim. It's too many rules. And I contacted them. They're like, "Oh, there was a hold because of your address," and then they literally took it off. They said, and I took that trade on Friday. I took that swing trade. So I don't know what is going on, but I can't have problems like that, which is crazy because I love Thinkorswim. It's way better to trade on. Or should I do Webull? Should I get Webull instead? But it's gonna take me like 2 days to get approved. So I'm probably just gonna trade on Robinhood. Trade on that QQQ. Get on at 9:30. And yeah, all those. Yeah, like that 521 call, I'm pretty sure was like maybe $40 or $30. Now it's at 170. So, and like I said, we're still using the higher time frame. So that little chop on the 3-minute doesn't fucking matter. Where are we going at 9:30? lower, you know, where are we going at? And then this just shows me like where I need to set by my contract. 517, 520, 5 whatever. So where was the 2 hour that one day? Was this Friday, May 16th? Oh yeah, so it's, well, hold on. We were here 8, 10. Oh, so there's this fair value gap here that probably would have confused me low key. 10 o'clock we came down, and then we still pushed lower though. I don't know, man. The 2 hour might confuse us if we're trading at 9:30 again. Hold on, let's. Okay, now let's look at it on the 30-minute chart. Boom, yeah, 9:30. We're coming low to take out all this liquidity. So yeah, let's just try these. Get on 9:30, and you know me, I like to have whatever. Really like this because this is a 30-minute chart too. And we'll trade at 9:30 again, and like I said, we'll trade options. So we'll just say today, you know, was a paper trade. I don't have to change it. I just need to type paper trade, and then did I get rid of my drawing? Oh, I did. What was the trade? It was, yeah, it was something like this. And I'm just gonna journal it in my Discord. I got in before the. I just wanted 516. Is what I wanted. So hopefully I can trade tomorrow. It might not be a trade tomorrow if I can't get this money transferred in time. It's only 1 o'clock though, so let's see. Let's put some money in and let's add a new bank account. And yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow at 9:30. I'm gonna see y'all for the recap. But also, yes, I want to talk about in the video yesterday. So how we said we would have got in up here at 21, and by the time market opened, we were going to be at 14 or 15. So we didn't get a full 10-point move, and you had to sell right at 9:30. If you wanted selling at 10:30 like Potter trades, half your gains would have been gone. So for the Friday ones, you need to sell right at 9:30, which will be on at 9:30 now. And then I don't know what the full percent gain would be though. I don't know if it would be worth it versus catching the same, almost the same move in the same day instead of overnight. You know, like this buy here is bigger now because we passed this. We passed this. Like I said, this is bigger, but we couldn't play this. It's 4 a.m. We have to wait till 9:30. So at 9:30. So I don't know. We'll still try. I'm gonna take one on Friday if my money can clear, and then I'll put exactly the amount of money that's in Thinkorswim right now, my live account, into Robinhood. So we know, like I took a loss the other day, so it shouldn't be. It won't be at 166. It'll be at like 120 or something. And then if the account's blown, I'm gonna keep putting $100 in at a time with options, since you don't need that much to trade with. So yeah, let's go back to my live account. My live account has 132.40 and 50 available to trade with. So I'm going to take all that out. But yeah, 132.40. Let's add that to Robinhood. Right now. So you see right now, it says $0. Sorry, y'all. $0. I mean, I can literally show y'all on my damn computer. Robinhood, I actually can use on my computer and show y'all on the computer now. So that will be nice. I have to do it on my phone all the time. What did I say? 132.40. Let's do 133. Did I add the other account yet? Nope. Let's add my other bank account. Oh, you can add from Apple Pay, and my business debit card is on my Apple Pay. God, I love Apple Pay, buddy. Okay, our instant can These are instant and can take up to 30 minutes too. Robinhood just does make things very easy. All right, let's do this debit card and we'll add it. See, Robinhood does make things easy. That's why people do trade. Robinhood. Initial transfer. Should I close the app and open it? See if it did say it could take up to 30 minutes. All right, it hasn't showed up yet, but not the spending account. Deposit May 19th. Apple Pay 133. Okay, so it's showing up. Hopefully it clears by tomorrow. And then hopefully I can trade tomorrow. So yeah, back trading at 9:30. We'll swing on Fridays, and then let's see if we can grow this fucking account. But yeah, I had a feeling because I used to trade obviously 10 reversal. So this is a IFEG in the 3-minute, but it's not. What is the 5-minute? It probably looks like perfect on the 5-minute chart. But also we did have 3 billion fair value gaps, which I don't like. That's why when it's two like this, I usually wait to get in down here once we inverse this one. However, on options, you know, that takes out a few of my dollars there. Well, maybe only $1. So just being impatient, but boom, that was the trade of the day. This buy at 9:30. That's why I started trading at 9:30. Because even if we chop, you just hold. You know, if you know where it's going on the 15-minute and the 30-minute. Just hold that thing. And honestly, I might get rid of this QQQ 30-minute chart. But no, it looked good too here. Like, where are we going? These highs. The 2-minute fair value, the 2-hour fair value gap kind of scared me. I thought we would reverse from it. That's why sometimes higher time frames just suck. Nice. Straight through, boom. So yeah, just a paper trade. So let me I keep removing that damn drawing. Like I need to journal it. All right, but yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.